Okay guys, here I'm back. Hi. I'm gonna show you guys how to use, how to do a hairstyle with your curl hair without using a comb or some things like that. Just with my hands, fingers. I'm gonna do things very simple. I'm gonna use this hair clip. It's about 4 here, but I'm trying to use less than 4, maybe about 2, because I want to do something very simple. Just to show you guys, to give you an idea how you can do your hair with curls. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to just hold that down there because I like things very simple and easy, because I'm a simple person. Alright, I'm trying to clip the hair at the back with one already, as you see. One. I hope it's not broken. Sorry. Okay, I'm trying to do another one. Hold on, I'm trying to take it to fix at the back. I think one is broken. Do you know when you buy cheaper things? I have to take another one because that one is broken. You can put like a little bit of your hair here. I'm trying to use another one to see if this one's not broken. Yeah, bingo. As you see, you pull that. Trying just to open your curls like this, and now, yeah, you are ready. You can use your hair like that for a party. You can use for us daily life, school, or whatever you like. So as I show you, so I didn't need to wash my hair again or use any comb or some things like that to take my curls out. So just a simple fixing at the back and use some hair clip, whatever hair clip you have, and as long as it's onto your hair, so it feels simple and nice. Always leave something at the back like a curl to give it a shine here. As you see, I hope you like it. Please don't forget to give a like to the channel. Thank you.